If your 10th generation Honda Civic has a dead battery after sitting for just a few days, stop blaming the alternator or the battery itself. You likely have a stuck AC compressor clutch relay. This is a very common failure on this specific car that drains power even when the key is out and the engine is off. Here is exactly what is happening inside your fuse box. The relay is just a switch controlled by a small magnet. Every time your air conditioning cycles on and off, while you drive, two metal contacts inside that black plastic box slap together to complete the circuit. Over thousands of cycles, those metal points get hot. They pit and create rough spots. Eventually, they get so hot they weld themselves together. When you turn the car off, the computer cuts the power to the magnet, but the metal points are physically fused. The circuit stays open to the battery. Even with the keys in your pocket, that stuck relay sends current directly to the magnetic clutch on your AC compressor. It pulls a constant draw, usually around 300 to 400 milliamps. That does not sound like much, but a standard Civic battery is small. It only holds about 45 amp-hours. That small, constant pull acts like a slow leak in a tire. It will drain enough power to prevent the engine from starting in about 4 to 5 days. To fix this, you first need to confirm the relay is the culprit using a multimeter. But you cannot just hook it up and read the numbers. You have to set up the car correctly, or your test will fail. Open the hood. Look at the latch mechanism in front of the radiator. You need to trick the car into thinking the hood is closed. If the car sees the hood open, the security system stays awake and draws power, which messes up your numbers. Take a screwdriver shank and push the latch mechanism down until it clicks twice. It should look locked. Now, let the car sit. Do not open the doors. Do not unlock it with the fob. You need to wait at least 30 minutes, preferably an hour. Modern Hondas have many computers that need to shut down in stages. If you test too soon, you're just measuring the computers talking to each other before they go to sleep. Once the time is up, set your multimeter to the amps setting, usually marked as 10A. Move your red probe to the correct port on the meter. Now, carefully disconnect the negative cable from the battery. That is the black one. Touch one probe to the battery post and the other probe to the loose cable clamp. You are now the bridge for the electricity. Be very careful here. If you break this connection or open a car door, the surge of power will blow the fuse inside your meter. Look at the screen. A healthy, sleeping Civic should draw less than 50 milliamps. That is 0.05 amps. If you see a number like 0.35 amps, something is wrong. Keep the meter connected. With your free hand, go to the underhood fuse box. Locate fuse number 7. It is a 7.5 amp fuse. Labeled for the AC, pull it out. If your meter reading instantly drops to near 0, you have confirmed the AC relay is the drain. If you do not have a meter, you can try the touch test. Let the car sit cold for an hour. Open the fuse box and find the relay marked for the AC clutch. Touch the plastic case with your finger. If it feels warm while the engine is cold, it is stuck on. Current creates heat. You need to replace it immediately. Do not use a cheap aftermarket relay from a random parts bin. You need the updated Honda part. Look for the relay made by Mitsuba, part number 39794 SDA-A05. The older relays made by Omron were prone to this sticking issue. Swap in the new relay, put fuse 7 back, and your drain should be gone. Do this soon, because deeply draining a lead-acid battery destroys its ability to hold a charge permanently.